Another fire truck going down there. Something's going on. Alright guys, I'm going to do a cold start on the Chevy. It hasn't been started up since yesterday, I think. Yeah, I think it was started up yesterday, it moved yesterday, but it's 23 degrees outside with a wind chill of 8 or 9, one of those two.
Oh, it's cold.
So it's cold. So yeah, I'm gonna start it up and see what the hell happens, I guess. There you go, here goes nothing. I should have done this earlier. Earlier it was warmer than it is now, but I don't know if you want to go back there and get actually starting up with the exhaust and everything. It's gonna be loud, so this is a freaking headphone warning. Alright, that's a 9-degree cold start. You can see. It's a little bit of a smoky cold start. Definitely cold. So let this truck warm up a little bit. And yeah, so before I move, this thing's gonna warm up. So everything's squeaking, fucking doing everything. So definitely needs to warm up before it goes anywhere. So guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I think I'm at 600 and something subscribers now, so definitely appreciate that. So I haven't made a video in a while. It's been pretty freaking busy, so I'll make a video again soon for you guys. So like, comment, subscribe, and always make sure to keep it redneck.